Can you understand real British English? 10 British phrases only Brits use. How many do you know? Number 1. I'm knackered. I'm knackered means I am very tired. For example, I've been working all day. I'm absolutely knackered. Number 2. Fancy a cuppa. Fancy a cuppa. It means, would you like a cup of tea? An example. You've just arrived. Fancy a cuppa. Number 3. Taking the mickey. Taking the mickey means making fun of someone. For example, are you taking the mickey? That can't be true. Number 4. Bob's your uncle. Bob's your uncle means there you go. It's done. For example, add the flour, mix it, and Bob's your uncle. Number 5. It's not my cup of tea means I don't really like it. For example, horror films aren't my cup of tea. Number 6. Chuffed. Chuffed. It means very pleased or proud. For example, she was chuffed with her exam results. Number 7. Gutted. Gutted. It means extremely disappointed. For example, I was gutted when they cancelled the concert. Number 8. Skint. Skint means having no money. For example, I'd love to come, but I'm skint until payday. Number 9. Cheeky. Cheeky. It means slightly naughty in a playful way. Let's have a cheeky pint after work. Number 10. Sorted. Sorted. It means that everything is arranged or fixed. For example, the tickets are booked. Sorted. I can relax. Thanks for watching.